Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Honda Accord key fob. First, ensure you have all key fobs you intend to program ready and available. This process will erase any previously programmed fobs not included in this session, so having them all present is crucial. You will need to work quickly through the steps, so familiarize yourself with them beforehand. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful programming experience for all your fobs. To begin, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, then immediately turn it back to OFF. Repeat this action 3 more times for a total of 4 cycles, ensuring each step is completed within 5 seconds. On the 4th turn to on, leave the key in that position. Now, press the lock button on your key fob. The door locks should cycle, indicating the vehicle has entered programming mode. Once in programming mode, quickly press the lock button on the first key fob you wish to program. You should hear the door lock cycle, confirming it has been accepted. If you have additional fobs, press the lock button on each one within 5 seconds of the previous fob. The vehicle will acknowledge each successful programming by cycling the locks again. Remember, all fobs up to 3 must be programmed in this single session. After programming all your key fobs, turn the ignition key to the OFF position and remove it. This action will exit the programming mode. Now, step out of the vehicle and test each newly programmed key fob. Verify that the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons all function correctly. If any fob does not work, you may need to repeat the entire programming sequence from the beginning for all fobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.